Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a lover of all things beauty, and here on my channel I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, skincare, mid-size fashion, and nails, and pretty much anything and everything under the sun. So I am a full-time working mama in the corporate world, and I do YouTube and partner with some businesses on the side and kind of bring them all to you. So I am really excited because I don't know why my neck is like that. Just go with it. I don't know. I'm having like a hot flash or something. Let's just pretend it's not there. But we are in full swing of our Hello Love fall launch. So if you don't know what Hello Love is, it is the luxury press-on nail company that I have been a part of for a year now. This is the second fall launch that I have been a part with the company, and I do have to say this is probably my favorite. So this is the 5th launch that I have been with the company, and this by far is my favorite launch. And even looking at our previous launches, this one's amazing. So stick with me through it. If you've been here, like seeing my other videos, there's I've done a video for all the other launches or this week's launches, so you can definitely check those out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Very excited. This nail is very pretty, and I think that you guys are gonna absolutely love it. It is Shut Up Richard, but it's in Squoffin. So we have Shut Up Richard that's in our short. This is the one that I launched, I wanna say last year, a year ago. It is such a beautiful red. If you are a fall girl and you're looking for a deep, very pretty fall red, this is it. It is gorgeous. It's very vampy, but it's very wearable. It's not vampy like gothic. It's just a perfect red. But even more exciting that we have it come out in Squoffin. So Squoffin is a shape that is exclusive to Hello Love. It is a cross between a coffin and a square. So it's not going to be square, it's going to be a little tapered in, but it's not going to be as exaggerated as a coffin. It's going to be somewhere in between. This is the nail shape that when I used to go get my nails done at the nail salon, this is the shape that I would ask for. I didn't call it Squoffin or anything like that, but that's what I personally like. I like this shape because I feel like it elongates your fingers. As you can tell, my hands are very kind of short and chubby. When I wear this shape, I feel like they're much more elongated. I feel like it's a very elegant, a very sophisticated nail shape, and it's just pretty. So if you're looking for a little bit more pizzazz, if you're looking for a little bit more glamour, then the Squoffin is definitely the way to go. So you can see here, such a pretty red color. Very excited about that. I want to take you guys through, if you are new with Hello Love and you've never seen our nails or you don't know anything about them, I want to take the time to go through of what's in the package. So with this is what we call a full pack. So the full pack literally has everything that you need to do your full set of nails. There are 2 things that I personally recommend that new customers get, and I'll talk about those in a second. But every nail brand, this is actually our old packaging. Our new packaging, this is my thing from last year. New packaging, it's gonna have a little description. We are in our 1987 collection, so everything is 80s theme, which I absolutely love. Look at like this jacket. This would have been amazing. This is amazing jacket, transcends all time. This is an 80s bombers jacket. Look at me, I didn't even plan that. But it also has the QR code that you can scan it to get the instructions. But we also, with every package that you get, you're going to get these instructions as a postcard. It's going to have instructions on how to apply them and then how to remove them. If you are a first-time customer with me, I will also send you a more in-depth application and removal process of just my personal tips. But then on the back side, was that upside down? That was upside down. That's the right way. It's going to look like this. On the back side of it is this little thing, and I like to point this out because this really is one of the things that separates Hello Love from other nail brands is this right here, and it's our organization. So when you open up the nail, all the nails are going to be separated and organized for you. So you're not going to have to dig through them and like figure out all the sizes and stuff like that. It's boom, ready to go. And if you look on the postcard has the actual numbers to everything here. I cannot see the numbers. cannot see them. I cannot look at them. Even with my glasses, I think I need a magnifying glass. I can't see them. So this card, you don't even have to know what the number is. For example, this one right here is the one that I wear for my thumb. I'm in a size 2. So what I would do is I would write size 2 or 2 on the hand. So this is something that you can keep in after you do your nails. You size them up, write down the corresponding number, and then that way the next time you go to do your nails, you have them all ready to go. You don't have to resize them. It's just boom, I know that I'm a size 2. I'm gonna grab this one and I'm ready to go. The other reason why I like to point this out is your hands are sisters, not twins. So you may be lucky and get where every single one of your nails on both sides are going to be the same exact size. You're lucky. Not all of us are blessed with such symmetry. The biggest tip I can say is when you're sizing them, be mindful that not every single one of them is going to fit. Don't assume that what fits on this hand is going to automatically fit on this hand. Try them out, figure out what the best size is for each of the hands, and then write it down. That way you can remember it next. Then it's going to have a 3-pack little thing. On the bottom pack is going to be this. So you're going to have all the tools. You're going to have your nail file. The blue side is going to be what you use to file the actual nail. The pink side is going to file your own nail. We got a cuticle stick, and then we have our glue. So every full set is going to come with its own glue. Now, what I recommend that you pick up in addition to full set, and it's kind of a one and done, you won't have to pick it up again for a long, long time, is first off our nail dehydrator. So our nail dehydrator is a key to getting the longevity regardless of what application method you choose. So we have 3 different application methods, and I'll get into them in a second, but you're gonna wanna do the nail dehydrator. The nail dehydrator is going to dehydrate your nails, get all the residue off, and just make sure that that bond is really, really strong. So if you're looking for longevity, you're gonna wanna pick up this. It's very, very affordable, and a little bit goes a long way. This is going to last you forever. You do not have to pick this up. You don't have to even use ours. You can pick up another brand, but if you're picking this up, you might as well pick it up together. The other thing I recommend, especially for first-time customers, is our brush on glue. So as I mentioned before, every full set is going to come with our nail glue, but I have gotten an overwhelming amount of customers that have come back and said the brush on glue is so much easier to manage than this glue. So with the brush on glue, you're going to apply it just like you would a nail polish. It's going to have the brush here. You're going to apply a thin layer and then put the press on and hold it for 30 seconds. And you're going to do that with every single nail. What I like about this is you have a little bit more control. It's sometimes it can be overwhelming to figure out how much glue to put on. This will help make it easier. With this glue, you're going to have to put a dot on and kind of move it around. And there's a lot more likelihood that you're going to use too much and then it's going to bubble over and it's going to kind of create a mess. This kind of helps lessen that. But the reason why I say it's kind of like a one and done purchase is you purchase this when you're getting low, just fill them up with these little glue sticks. So you're not wasting the glue. You can just fill it up in here and always have that brush application method and make it so much easier. I got to the point where I was using this and I was fine with it. And I was fine. But when I started getting the feedback from my customers that this was so much easier, I went ahead and was like, okay, well, I'll try it out. Yes, it is so much easier. It just makes it dummy proof. And I'm not that you guys are dummies or anything like that, but it just really makes it where it's super, super easy. So I'd strongly recommend that you pick up that and then just use that as a refill. So that's everything that comes in the package. Like I said, I am going to put all my information down below. If you need any help, if you have any questions, if you want any suggestions or anything like that, I am here to help you. Just email me, hit me up on DM. I'll put all my information down below. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the fall launch. Hopefully you are very, very excited about our Squoffin. And yeah, happy shopping. Until next time, bye.